Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the topic linear dependence and independence concept. So let's say for a given set of vectors, let's say v1, v2 up to vk with the linear combination c1 v1 plus c2 v2 and so on up to ck vk is equal to 0. Otherwise we can write it as ci vi for I equal to 1 to k equal to 0. So let's say we have some set of vectors v1 to vk and we have a linear combination of such order. Then if this happens, this linear equation is satisfied. If this happens, only when c1 equal to c2 equal to up to ck equal to 0. So if this equation is satisfied only for c1, c2 and all the c to be 0, then we say the vectors are linearly independent. And if this happens for any non-zero values of, let's say, ci like c1 or c2 or anything, then the vectors are linearly dependent. Then the vectors are going to be linearly dependent. Let's say, for example, if we have a matrix formed by these four vectors 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 6, minus 3, 3, 9 and 3, and let's say 2, 5 and 0. So this column first, column second, column third, column fourth, let's say these are the vectors v1, v2, v3 and v4. So we have got this four set of vectors with three elements in each of it, or three components in each of it. Then of course this can be satisfied by c1 v1 plus c2 v2 plus c3 v3 plus c4 v4 equal to 0 for c1 equal to c2 equal to c3 equal to c4. But if we have another combination like 3 times of v1 minus v2, then also we'll get a solution to be 0. So this means we have c1 equal to 3, c2 equal to minus 1, c3 is equal to 0 and c4 is also equal to 0. So there is one more combination of c1, c2 and c3, c4 which provides the equation to be, the linear combination to be 0, apart from this condition that these all are equal to 0. So in this case we can say that these vectors, that the columns of this matrix are actually linearly dependent. So the set of vectors are linearly dependent. So these vectors are linearly dependent. What other observation we can do is, let's say these are also some of the vectors r1, r2 and r3. These rows are going to be another vectors. So if we observe 5 times of R1 minus 2 times of R2 plus R3 is also 0. 5 times of 1 will be 5 minus 2 times of 2, that will be going to be 4, and minus of and plus of 1. 5 times of row 1 minus 2 times of row 2 plus row 3 will be equal to 0. So we can also say that these rows are also linearly dependent. Linearly dependent. So that was all about the concept of linear dependence and independence. Thank you.